Dryer Vent Wizard International is a home-based service business built around a simple and essential need: dryer vent cleaning, repair, and safety services. As the only national brand focused specifically on dryer vent services, Dryer Vent Wizard International operates in a growing, underserved market with strong recurring demand from both residential and commercial customers. This is a service people already need, which means no cold calling and consistent inbound demand. Franchise owners provide inspection, cleaning, repair, and installation services for dryer vents and related air movement systems, helping customers improve safety, efficiency, and appliance performance. With strong margins, low overhead, and a scalable service model, the business can be launched with a small team and expanded over time. Backed by Neighborly, one of the world's largest home services franchise companies, franchisees receive comprehensive training, marketing support, scheduling assistance, and ongoing coaching to help them grow and scale with confidence. The initial total investment is $82,900. Inside the full InfoPack, you will see what other owners are typically earning and insights into the day-to-day operations of this business. Add Dryer Vent Wizard International to your top picks and request the InfoPack today.